Hello, everyone. Welcome to our wonderful course on the past simple tense. I'm Emma, your teacher for today. In this course, you'll learn how to use the past simple to talk about actions and events that happened in the past. Our course is divided into two exciting parts. In the part 1, you will have a detailed lesson on the past simple. In the second part, you will have a fun quiz to test your knowledge. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently use the past simple tense in your writing and conversations. Are you ready? Let's get started. Understanding the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to describe actions and events that happened at a specific time in the past. It is a fundamental part of English grammar, helping us to tell stories and share experiences. Example, I visited Paris last year. This action happened in the past, and it's finished. Structure of the past simple. The structure of the past simple tense is straightforward. For regular verbs, we add ed to the base form of the verb. For irregular verbs, we use the second form of the verb. Let me explain you in a better way. For the regular verbs, if the base form is play, the past form is played. Another example. If the base form is watch, the past form is watched. For the irregular verbs, it's different. If the base form is go, the past form is went. She went to the store. Another example. If the base form is eat, the past form is ate. We ate pizza for dinner. I hope you are still with me. Let's talk about negative sentences and questions. In the simple past, forming negative sentences and questions requires the auxiliary verb did. Let's have a look together. Here is the structure of negative sentences. Subject plus did not plus base form of the verb. Example, I did not play soccer. She did not go to the store. Remember, the contraction of did not is didn't. For the interrogative sentences, did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Example, did you play soccer? Did she go to the store? Certainly you will told me the commonly uses of the past simple. Let's have a look. The past simple is used for an action that is completed in the past. For example, I finished my homework. This action is completed. We use this tense for a series of events happened in the past. For example, he woke up, brushed his teeth, and went to work. When we talk about a specific time, we also use the past simple. For example, they arrived at 6 p.m. Now we arrive at the last part of this lesson. Let's practice forming past simple sentences. We will complete these sentences together. He to travel to Japan last month. That's correct. He traveled to Japan last month. Did you to see the movie? Good answer. The answer is, did you see the movie? One more. We not to have breakfast this morning. Great. You are a good student. The answer is, we did not have breakfast this morning. You see, The simple past is not so hard. Now you understand better the simple past. Let's have a quiz to see what you've learned. It's just for fun and practice. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and tell me in the comment section if you are more confident with the simple past tense. It will help me a lot for the channel. Ready for the quiz? Let's go. You've learned a lot. Now, let's take a quiz to see how well you understand the simple past. Remember, this is just for practice. Good luck. You have 10 questions and 10 seconds for each. Question 1. What is the correct form? To visit her grandmother last weekend. Visits. Visited. Visiting. The correct answer is B. She visited her grandmother last weekend. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. They goes to the park yesterday. They going to the park yesterday. They went to the park yesterday. The correct answer is C. They went to the park yesterday. Remember, the word yesterday shows us the action is finished. Question 3. What is the negative form? He not to watch TV last night. Did not watch. Does not watch. Is not watching. The correct answer is A. He did not watch TV last night. Remember, with the negative form of the simple past, we use did not. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? Did she plays tennis? Did she play tennis? Does she played tennis? The correct answer is B. Did she play tennis? Question 5. How often does he play? He, to play, every day. Played, playing, plays. The correct answer is C. He plays every day. Sorry for the trap, but this is the simple present, and this highlights that past simple is not used for routines. For the simple present lesson, I invite you to watch the video after finishing this one. Question 6. What is the correct question form? You see the new movie? Do. Did. Does. The correct answer is B. Did you see the new movie? Question 7. Choose the sentence with correct verb form. I was watched a show. I watching a show. I watched a show. The correct answer is C. I watched a show. Question 8. What is the negative form of this sentence? They visited the museum. They do not visited the museum. They did not visit the museum. They not visited the museum. The correct answer is B. They did not visit the museum. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? She writes a letter yesterday. She wrote a letter yesterday. She writing a letter yesterday. The correct answer is B. She wrote a letter yesterday. Question 10. What is the correct question? They arrive on time? Did? Do? Does? The correct answer is A. Did they arrive on time? Congratulations, you've completed the course on the past simple. I hope you find it helpful and fun. Keep practicing in your everyday conversations. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section if you are more confident with the past simple. See you in another fun course on this channel.